Have you heard rumblings that campgrounds have slowed down? I am hearing some of the campgrounds say their October is not necessarily as great as it usually is. I'm Donna Bordeaux with Campground Accounting, and I want to talk to you about why this could be happening. First, let me reassure you that the income streams that we are seeing from our campgrounds nationwide are up. Over the past 12 months from September to September of 24, we saw about a 6.5% growth in revenue. So that is good. That tells us things are still on a good track. We hear a lot of things in the industry about how RV manufacturing is down and that is trickling down. I'm out here on the road now over a month, and I'm not really seeing that things are all that different than they have been. Now, October does seem to be a little bit slower for many who have, especially in the area of Halloween celebrations and Halloween weekends. And one of the reasons that we are probably seeing that is this is an election year. Also, we've had a lot of weather issues throughout the South and in Florida, the Carolinas, Georgia. And I think that a lot of people have not been traveling who may have been affected by that. Now, that's particularly going to be East Coast versus the Western states. But I can tell you that I am in Terlingua, Texas, near Big Bend National Park. And there's still been plenty of visitors out and about. Now, the campground that I'm in is in the desert, as you can tell, and they're a little different than many other campgrounds in that most people here are from Texas. So this is not usually an area where they get a lot of national travelers. But the Texas crew is out and about, and we've seen plenty of people from out of state of Texas. So hold to your guns. Make sure that you're using this time to reassess and look at your marketing and make the most of it as you proceed. But don't let anybody tell you that camping is fizzling out. It's not. It's still on the rise.